Hello there, dear. Welcome to this lesson on syllables, parentheses, for/stress. Good. So, talking about stress, we'll be focusing on, basically we have three types of stress, which are secondary stress, primary stress, and distress or unstressed. Furthermore, on stress, when you see the word on the screen, and after the word you see equal sign, after the equal sign, the alphabet you will see in block letters, that means capital letters. So the alphabets in capital letters represents primary stress, while alphabets in small letters represents secondary stress. Thank you. Now, let's begin with the words. Pronounce this word. Thank you. If I will pronounce that word, I will say comprehension. Comprehension. Now, from the way that word is pronounced, first, if you listen well, let's hum together so you can get it well. So from the first syllable, com, we have a middle stress there, which is the second stress. And on the third syllable, hen, we have the main stress there, which is the primary stress. Thank you. Now let's move to the next word. You pronounce first. I like this word. Pronounce this word. Thank you. Now, listen to my own pronunciation and imitate me. Entrepreneur. Let me pronounce that again. Entrepreneur. Good. So the word is having 4 syllables and with 2 stresses, which is secondary stress on the first syllable and primary stress on the last syllable. That's why I like that word. Let's move to the next word. Pronounce this word. Thank you. Listen to my own pronunciation. Identify. Good. Let's move to number 4 now. Pronounce this word. Thank you. That word also is having 2 stresses, secondary and primary. Secondary on the first syllable, primary on the third syllable. And the word is pronounced as composition. 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 Now, the last word for this morning, which is regularly. Oh, I'm supposed to tell you guys to pronounce first. Well, it's your lucky day. So the word is pronounced regularly with just 1 stress there, which is the primary stress on which one? The loudest. That is reg. Good. So, we'll end today's lesson here, and you will do your helm activity. Your helm activity is this. You will list 10 polysyllabic words, specifically 4 syllables. You know, polysyllabic words could either mean words with 2 or more syllables, or 3, 4, 5, upward of them. But you list 4 syllables, words with 4 syllables. While you're listening, after listening to the word, you fetch the syllables in those words. You write them out with an equal sign, and also you underline them too. Underlined stressed syllables with either primary or secondary, depending on the word. After underlining, you write the initial of the type of stress that the underlined syllable is having. If it's primary stress, you write initial P, and if the secondary stress, you write initial S. Good. And you write equal sign at the front of that word, and then you write out the number of, not number of syllables, you write out in primary stress with block letters, secondary stress with small letters. That's your homework. Let me recap again. Your homework, you list 10 words with 4 syllables. You underline if the word is having primary or secondary stress. And the word is having both primary stress, you underline the primary stress syllable, and then you write initial P. Secondary stress, underline the secondary stress syllable, and then you write the initial S. And you put equal sign at the front of each word, putting primary stressed syllables in block letters and secondary stressed syllable in small letters. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.